To simplify this question, we can think of the list digits as a deck of cards where each integer in the list is represented by a card in our deck. We can let 8 be the top of our deck, while 1 is the bottom of our deck. The variable number is used to store the number which we want to represent with our deck of cards. We can loop through or go through every card in our deck using something called a for loop. So by writing for digit in digits, we run through the list digits and store each integer in the variable digit, starting with the top of our deck, which we have said is 8. Using our current digit, we can put that digit into our variable number. And we do this by shifting the previous numbers we have to the left by 1 by multiplying them by 10 and then adding our current digit or our current card to the previous number. We can go through some iterations of this loop to see how this works. On our first iteration, we first get the value of 8 set to digit. Our number is initially set to 0, so when we run the code number equals number times 10, number times 10 is going to be equal to 0. And then when we add digit to the end, which is 8, our number at the end of our first iteration is going to be 8. On our second iteration, our number is now 8, and the digit is going to move on to the next card in our deck, which is 3. So after running this line of code, our new updated number is going to be 8 times 10 plus 3, which is going to be 80. Hopefully you can see the pattern. After running through every digit in our list, we will eventually get the number 8,351, which is stored in this variable. And this will be printed to our terminal at the end of our code.